Chromosomes. These tightly packed structures hold the blueprint of life, our DNA. What happens when changes occurs at the chromosomal level? Well, in this video, we're diving into chromosomal mutation, their types, and the real-world consequences they can have. So, chromosomal mutation involves a large-scale changes that affects the structure or the numbers of chromosomes. These mutations are more significant than point mutation because they can involve the entire section of DNA or even the whole chromosomes. Such mutation can occur during cell division, when the chromosomes are not copied or distributed correctly, leading to a disorder or changes in an organism's physical and biological traits. Let's first explore the structural mutation or the structural chromosomal mutation, where the structure of one or more chromosomes is altered. These changes can happen when parts of chromosome break or attach incorrectly, or if entire sections are deleted or duplicated. Now we have the four main types of structural chromosomal mutation. First, deletion. It occurs when a part of the chromosome is missing. This can lead to missing genes, which often causes severe effect on development and health. One example is the Crudichot syndrome, caused by deletion of a section of chromosome 5. Babies born with this condition often have intellectual disabilities and a characteristic high-pitched cry. And duplication happens when a part of chromosome is copied and repeated. This leads to an extra genetic material. For instance, the Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease is a disorder caused by duplication of gene in chromosome 17, which affect the nervous system. Third is inversion. In this type of mutation, a section of chromosome is reversed, changing the order of genes. Although inversion often do not cause obvious problems, they can disrupt gene function if the entire inversion occurs at the middle of an important gene. And lastly, the translocation. It occurs when part of the chromosomes break off and attach to another chromosomes. This can lead to various genetic condition or cancers. For example is the Philadelphia chromosome. It is a translocation between chromosome 9 and 22, which commonly found in the patients with a chronic myeloid leukemia. Beyond structural changes, chromosomal mutation can also involve changes in the number of chromosomes. This is known as the aneuploidy, which occurs when cells have too many or too few chromosomes. This numerical mutation often occurs due to non-disjunction. When chromosomes fail to separate properly during cell division. Let's look at some examples of conditions caused by aneuploidy. First, the Down syndrome. There's an extra copy of chromosome 21, leading to a total of 47 chromosomes instead the usual 46. This condition affects physical development and cognitive abilities, but individuals with Down syndrome can live fulfilling lives with the right support. Turner syndrome affects females who has only X chromosome instead of 2X, which is 2X if female, right? 2X. This can result in short stature, infertility, and heart defects. Klinefelter syndrome. Males have an extra X chromosome, it becomes XXY instead of XY. This can lead to a reduced fertility, leading learning difficulties and sometimes feminine physical traits. What causes this large-scale mutation? Chromosomal mutation can rise from errors in cell divisions or be triggered by environmental factors like radiation, chemical exposure, or even viruses. Thanks to advances in science, medical science in particular, we can now detect chromosomal mutation using various methods. Karyotyping allows scientists to visualize chromosomes and detect abnormalities, while more precise technique like FISH or FISH helps in identifying specific structural changes in chromosome. While chromosomal mutations are often linked to a genetic disorder, they also play an important role in the evolution. Over a million of years, changes in chromosome structure and number have helped shape the diversity of life on Earth. In fact, many plant species have evolved through a process of polyploidy, where entire set of chromosomes are duplicated, giving rise to a new species with different traits. So, chromosomal mutation, whether structural or numerical, can have profound effect on the organism's development, health, and evolution. While some mutations lead to a genetic disorder, others have distributed to incredible diversity of life we see today. By understanding this mutation, scientists can better diagnose genetic conditions, develop treatments, and continue to explore the mysteries of our genetic blueprint.